Halina mga bata, tayo nang mag-aral. Sa math walang maiiwan. Math-sayang math-aral, tayo ng math-tuto upang ika'y umasenso. Maging matyaga, maging matalino, halina't math-aral na tayo. maging matyaga, maging matalino. Halina't mag-aral na tayo, halina mag-aral na tayo. Halina, 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 mag-aral na tayo.
Isang matsayang araw po sa inyong lahat. Kayo pa rin ay nakatutok sa ating Project SOAR, series of online academic reviews of mathematics, CLAID learning modules week 3 and 4. Sa ating mga viewers, huwag po natin kakalimutan na i-follow ang ating official Facebook page, Math Team, Mathematics Teachers Association of Mandaluyong, at mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, MTM Channel. Kanina ay nakasama natin si Teacher G at si Teacher Santi ng Grade 4. Ngayon, ang makakasama natin sa Grade 4 for Week 3 ay walang iba kundi ang Assistant to the Principal ng Doña Basilisa Yangco Elementary School. Siya rin po ang School Math Coordinator. Siya rin po ay Grade 5 Math Teacher, an MTOP Trainer and Speaker, Division Math Trainer. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Mr. Aldin John Z. Lacaden.
Thank you, Sir J. Isang magandang araw sa ating lahat. Sa ating OIC, Office of the Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Romela M. Cruz, OIC, Office of the Assistant Division Superintendent, Dr. Aurelio G. Alfonso, Chief Education Supervisor, CID, Dr. Alin G. Mendoza, Chief Education Supervisor, SGOD, Mrs. Emma G. Arubio, to our Mathematics Supervisor, Mr. Resty I. Rodelas, TSDS in charge of our school, Ms. Jocelyn C. Miguel, our former principal, Mr. Pompeo B. Floro Jr., to our new principal, Ma'am Rosie A. Casono, sa mga kapwa ko guro sa Mandaluyong, sa ating mga magulang, at syempre, ang bida sa araw na ito, ang ating mga batang mandunong. Halina at masayang ating balikan ang ating aralin sa Mathematics 5, Module 3. Matsayang mag-aral, tayo nang matuto upang maging matalino. Welcome sa ating Project SOAR, series of online academic reviews of Mathematics CLAID learning modules. Grade 5 Mathematics, Week 3. I'm Sir Aldin John Lacaden, ang inyong makakasama sa pagbabalik-aral ng ating aralin. Our topic is First Quarter, Module 3, Performing Series of Operations on Whole Numbers Applying PEMDAS or GEMDAS. Our objectives are: state, explain, and interpret the PEMDAS or GEMDAS rule. Performs a series of more than 2 operations on whole numbers applying parentheses, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, or PEMDAS, or grouping symbols, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, or GEMDAS correctly, and analyze and solve problems. In this lesson, you will learn how to perform and simplify series of operations on whole numbers involving more than 2 operations using the PEMDAS or GEMDAS rule. PEMDAS stands for P parenthesis, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S para naman sa subtraction. Ang GEMDAS naman ay G para sa grouping symbols katulad ng parenthesis, braces, at brackets. M para sa multiplication, D division, A addition, at S naman ay subtraction. What if we have a series of operations to perform for a given problem? Halimbawa, sa problem na yan ay makikita natin na lahat ng basic operations ay magkakasama sila. Nandiyan ang addition, multiplication, division, at saka subtraction. Papaano natin ito isusolve? Ngayon, yan ang ating pag-aaralan. A teacher called two pupils to write the expression of this statement on the board and to solve it. The sum of 4 and the product of 2 and 5 divided by 7 plus 3. At pagkatapos ay nag-solve yung dalawang bata. At narito ang kanilang sagot. So ito ang sagot ni pupil 1. At ito naman ang sagot ni pupil 2. Sino kaya sa kanilang dalawa ang tama ang sagot? Babalikan natin yan mamaya. The expression above can be solved by following the rules on order of operations. So, ibig sabihin ay mayroon pala tayong dapat sundin o kaya rule na tinatawag nilang order of operations. Ano kaya iyon? This is called PEMDAS rule, which stands for parenthesis, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Sometimes, instead of PEMDAS, GEMDAS is used. The only difference between the two is instead of P, which stands for parenthesis, the letter G is used. G stands for grouping symbols, a more general reference to the different grouping symbols that include the parentheses, brackets, and braces. Ibig sabihin nun, halos parehas lang pala ang GEMDAS at saka PEMDAS. Ang pagkakaiba lang, ang P ay para lang pag ginamit sa parentheses, samantalang ang G ay ginagamit naman sa grupo ng mga symbols katulad ng parentheses, brackets, at saka braces. Papaano tayo mag-simplify ng series of operations gamit ang rule ng PEMDAS at GEMDAS? Yan, halik kayo. Yan ang ating pag-aaralan ngayon. Rule in simplifying series of operations on whole numbers involving more than 2 operations using PEMDAS or GEMDAS. Una, perform the operations within each pair of grouping symbols, parentheses, brackets, and braces, beginning with the innermost pair. So, ibig sabihin, uunahin natin yung mayroong pair of grouping symbols. Katulad ng example na nasa baba, 81 divided by the product of 9 times 3 is equal to n. So, ang una nating i-evaluate o kaya ay isi-simplify ay ang 9 times 3. Pangalawang halimbawa, kapag meron itong more than 1 na grouping of symbols katulad ng parentheses at saka brackets, kailangan nating unahin yung pinaka-innermost pair na kung saan ito ang 15 plus 6. Okay, ang susunod naman, perform multiplication or division as they occur from left to right. So mahalagang alam natin ang left at saka yung right. So ang sabi dito, uunahin natin ang multiplication o kaya ay division, depende kung sino ang nauna sa kanila sa left going to right. So halimbawa, 6 divided by 3 times 9. So sino dapat ang mauna? Ikaw ba ay magmumultiply o ikaw ba ay magdi-divide? So dito papasok yung condition na from left to right. So ang uunahin natin dito ay ang nauna sa left, which is division. So kailangan natin munang ma-divide ang 6 divided by 3 bago yung 3 times 9. Another example, 18 times 6 divided by 9 is equal to n. Halimbawa naman dito, ang nasa left ay ang multiplication. So unahin muna nating mag-multiply bago tayo mag-divide. At ang pinakahuling step ay perform addition or subtraction as they occur from left to right. Tayo ay mag-a-add or magsusubtract depende kung anong operation ang nauna sa left. Halimbawa, 36 plus 22 minus 17 is equal to n. I-apply natin yung kondisyong from left to right. So, ang operation na nasa pinaka-left ay ang addition. So, dapat tayo ay mag-a-add muna. 36 plus 22 muna bago tayo mag-subtract. Pangalawang halimbawa, 818 minus 216 plus 99 is equal to n. Ang operation na nasa left ay ang subtraction. So tayo muna ay magsusubtract bago po tayo mag-add. Tandaan natin mga batang mandunong na pag tayo ay nagsisimplify ng series of operation, unahin muna natin ang grouping symbols. Ito yung mga may parentheses, brackets, at saka braces. Pagkatapos nun ay susundan natin ng multiplication or division depende kung anong operation ang nasa left. At susundan naman ng addition at subtraction kung ano naman ang nasa pinaka-operation na nasa left. Halimbawa, 23 times 7 minus 18 is equal to n. Kung ang magkasamang operations dyan ay multiplication at subtraction, dapat mauna natin gawin ay mag-multiply. Muna tayo bago tayo mag-subtract. Ang susunod naman ay 35 minus 5 divided by 6 is equal to 9. Ang magkasamang operations dyan ay subtraction and division. So, dapat nating unahin ang pag-divide. Tama. At ang pangatlong halimbawa, 13 times 7 plus 4 is equal to n. Ang magkasamang operations dyan ay multiplication and addition. So, dapat unahin nating mag-multiply bago tayo mag-add. At ang pinakahuli, kung ang magkasama naman ay addition at division, tayo ay dapat na mag-divide muna bago tayo mag-add. So yan po ang ating dapat na tandaan mga batang mandunong. Para sa ganun ay lalo nating maintindihan ang simplifying series of operations. Ang sagot ni na pupil 1 at saka pupil 2 mula sa tanong ng kanilang guro. At malalaman natin kung sino sa kanila ang tama. Ito ang sagot ni pupil 1 at ito naman ang sagot ni pupil 2. I-apply natin ang ating napag-aralan para malaman natin kung sino sa kanila ang nakakuha ng tama. Halikayo, sama-sama nating isolve ang mathematical expressions na ibinigay ng kanilang guro. The sum of 4 and the product of 2 and 5 divided by 7 plus 3. Kailangan muna nating isulat ito sa number sentence. Ayan, 4 plus 2 times 5 divided by 7 plus 3 is equal to n. Sa problem na ito ay mayroon tayong iba't ibang series of basic operations katulad ng addition, multiplication, division, at addition. So ang una nating uunahin dito ay ang pag-solve sa mayroong grouping symbols katulad ng parenthesis. So dito ay mayroon nitong 4 plus 2 times 5 ang nasa loob ng parenthesis. Kailangan muna nating gawin ang 2 times 5. So 2 times 5 is equal to 10. So ang mga susunod na mga term ay kailangan lamang ito nating kopyahin o kaya ay gayahin. At pagkatapos na step ay ang nasa loob pa rin ng open and close parenthesis, which is 4 plus 10. So 4 plus 10 ay 14. So 14, at pagkatapos kopyahin natin ang mga natitirang mga terms. 14 divided by 7 plus 3 is equal to n. Ang naiwan na lamang na mga operations ay division at saka addition. So ang gagawin natin ay mag-divide muna bago tayo mag-add. So 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. At kopyahin natin yung plus 3 is equal to n. At ang pinakahuli, i-add na natin ng 2 plus 3. At makukuha natin ang sagot na 5. At ang nakakuha ng tamang sagot ay ang pupil 2. Bakit? Kasi kay pupil 1, inuna niya munang mag-add ng 4 plus 2 bago siya nag-multiply ng 2 times 5. Kaya doon siya nagkamali. Samantalang si pupil 2 ay sinunod niya ang rule ng GEMDAS o kaya ay PEMDAS. Kaya tama si pupil 2. Subukan natin ang example na ito. 7 plus 7 divided by 7 plus 7 times 7 minus 7 is equal to n. So sa rule ng GEMDAS, unahin muna natin ang grouping symbols. Pero dyan sa problem na yan, wala po tayong grouping symbols na makikita. So, sa 7 plus 7 divided by 7 plus 7 times 7 minus 7 is equal to n, kailangan nating i-perform muna ang multiplication or division as they occur from left to right. Sa operations na nandyan sa ating number sentence, makita natin na mas mauna ang division. So, kailangan muna nating mag-divide ng 7 divided by 7. So, ang sagot ay 1. So, kopyahin lamang natin ang mga natitirang mga terms na nandyan sa ating number sentence. So, ngayon, 7 plus 1 plus 7 times 7 minus 7. So, ang nandyan na operations ay mga addition at multiplication at ganun din ay subtraction. So, muli ay ang gagawin natin, tayo ay magmumultiply. So, 7 times 7 ay 49. So, 7 plus 1 plus 49 minus 7, ang susunod dyan na ating gagawin ay perform addition or subtraction as they occur from left to right. So tayo naman na ay mag-a-add o kaya ay mag-subtract kung ano ang nasa left. At ang nasa left ay ang addition, which is 7 plus 1 is equal plus 49 minus 7. So 7 plus 1 is equal to 8 plus 49 minus 7. So operation na yan na addition at subtraction, unahin natin mag-add kasi siya ang nasa left. So 8 plus 49 is equal to 57 minus 7 is equal to 50. So ang tamang sagot sa ating problem ay 50. Tama. Okay, let us try this word problem. Aling Rina bought 6 boxes of sardines to store A and 4 boxes of sardines to store B. A box contains 2 dozen of sardines in cans. If she sold all the sardines in cans at 18 pesos each, how much did she sell? So we're going to find what is asked in the problem. So the answer is the amount she sell or how much did she sell. And what are given? 6 boxes of sardines, 4 boxes of sardines, 2 dozen of sardines, and 18 pesos. What operations to be used? So we are going to use addition because we're going to add the 6 boxes of sardines and the 4 boxes of sardines. And then multiply 2 times the dozen, which is meaning dozen, 1 dozen is equal to 12 pieces of sardines. So 2 times 12. And then the amount, which is 18, so we need to multiply also. So the operations we're going to use are addition and multiplication. And what is the number sentence? So we're going to add 6 plus 4 times 2 times 12 because 1 dozen is equal to 12. So that there are 2 dozen, that's why 2 times 12 times the amount of each sardines, which is 18 pesos. So our number sentence is the sum of 6 plus 4 times the product of 2 times 12 times 18 pesos is equal to N. Solution. The sum of 6 plus 4 times the product of 2 times 12 times 18 pesos is equal to N. First, na gagawin natin ay kailangan i-multiply natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So 2 times 12 is equal to 24. Ang isusunod naman natin ay addition na nasa loob ng parenthesis, which is 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So 10 times 24 times 18 pesos is equal to N. Unahin naman natin ngayon ay ang 10 times 24. 10 times 24 is equal to 240 times 18 pesos is equal to N. 240 times 18 pesos is equal to 4,320 pesos. So the answer in the problem is 4,320 pesos is the amount she sell. Bukan natin kung meron kayong natutunan. Let's practice. Simplify each expression. I will give you 10 seconds to answer. Number 1. 4 plus 6 times 9 minus 5 is equal to N. Go! Time's up. So the answer is 53. If your answer is 53, you are correct. Number 2. 6 times 2 minus 3 plus 5 minus 9 divided by 3 is equal to N. Go! Time's up. So the correct answer is 11. If your answer is 11, you are correct. Okay, number 3. 48 divided by the sum of 6 plus 2 times 5 is equal to N. Go! Time's up. So the correct answer in number 3 is 30. So if your answer is 30, you are correct. Number 4. The sum of 23 and 12 divided by the difference of 15 and 8 times 12 is equal to n. Go! Times up 4 is 60. So if your answer is 60, you are correct. Number 5. Find the product of the difference of 35 and 29 and the quotient of 32 and 4. Go! Times up. The correct answer is 48. If your answer is 48, you are correct. Yan. Balikan natin ang rule in simplifying series of operations on whole numbers involving more than 2 operations using PEMDAS or GEMDAS. First, perform the operations with each pair of grouping symbols, parentheses, brackets, and braces beginning with the innermost pair. Perform multiplication or division as they occur from left to right. And last, perform addition or subtraction as they occur from left to right. Salamat sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating Project SOAR. Muli, ako si Teacher Aldin, ang inyong nakasama sa araw na ito. Diyan nagtatapos ang ating pagbabalik-aral ngayong araw na ito. Alam ko, marami kayong mga natutunan sa ating aralin. Salamat sa inyong oras at pagsuporta at inyong pagtsatsaga sa araw na ito. Ang math ay kailangan nating pagtsagaan na pag-aralan upang ito'y ganap nating maintindihan. Tandaan, walang mahirap na gawa sa taong nagtsatsaga. Hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita. Paalam!